Welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Varun, and in today's video, we will be taking a look at one of our new API functionalities, that is, list all SMS notifications. Let's start by grabbing our API key. So once we have the API key, let's move over to developers.once, that is our API reference page. Here, under the notifications tab, we have the new functionality, that is list all SMS notifications. Now, for a more comprehensive view, let's head over to our API client. And the first thing that we will do is validate our key and be all set. So we are all good. Let's go ahead and use our new function, that is list all SMS notifications. Now, this functionality goes ahead and returns list of the SMS notifications, and these are sorted by the creation time. Then you have the option to further filter it as per the recipient, that is the contact ID, recipient type, when it was created, and etc. So let's take a look and see what the body contains. It has the SMS ID, the object time, that is an SMS, status of the SMS, if it was delivered or failed and stuff. Then you have the recipient, that is the contact ID, who it was delivered to, and the message of the body. That is, this is a cancellation notification. This is a reschedule notification. There is a notification for a reassignment and update to the meeting, and also a schedule like a booking confirmation notification there. So this is how you can get a very comprehensive list of all the SMSs that have been sent from your account. Now, thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.